What if I told you that the difference between success and frustration in crypto investing often comes down to the strategy you choose from day one, not the coins you pick later on? In this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact crypto investing strategy I wish I had known when I was just getting started. A strategy that could have saved me countless mistakes, emotional stress, and missed opportunities. This video is designed for beginners who are either brand new to the world of crypto or have been dabbling without a clear plan and want to start fresh with a smarter approach moving forward. Whether you've invested a few dollars or you're just about to buy your first coin, what I'm about to share will give you the confidence and clarity to take action with less risk and better long-term results. Let's start with the biggest mindset shift that changed everything for me. I stopped thinking of crypto as a way to get rich quick and started treating it like a long-term wealth-building tool that requires structure, patience, and knowledge. At the beginning, I was chasing hype, jumping into coins that were trending on social media without asking why they were rising or whether they had any real use case, and that cost me more than just money. It delayed my progress. Now, the first principle I wish I had followed is this: define your investing purpose clearly before you buy anything. Because most people skip this step and end up holding assets that don't align with their goals or risk tolerance. Ask yourself, are you looking to build long-term wealth, generate passive income, or hedge against inflation? Each answer leads to a different investing style, and knowing this helps you avoid scattered decisions that feel exciting in the moment but confusing later. Once you've clarified your purpose, the next strategy piece is asset allocation. And here's what that means. Instead of going all in on one coin, spread your investment across categories like Bitcoin, Ethereum, stablecoins, and high-potential altcoins, each serving a different role in your portfolio. Think of Bitcoin as your long-term store of value, Ethereum as your access to smart contracts and decentralized finance, and altcoins as your growth plays. Just make sure they're backed by strong fundamentals, not just hype. The mistake I made early on was putting everything into small-cap coins, hoping for a quick 10x. But without Bitcoin or Ethereum as a foundation, my portfolio had no stability when the market turned, and I paid the price. A much smarter approach is using the 60-30-10 rule. 60% into large-cap assets like BTC and ETH, 30% into smaller altcoins with real use cases, and 10% kept in cash or stablecoins for buying dips or rebalancing. This brings me to a key habit that separates investors from speculators: regular rebalancing, which simply means reviewing your portfolio every month or quarter and adjusting your allocations based on performance and new research. When Bitcoin surges and becomes 80% of your portfolio, you can sell a portion and redistribute into undervalued altcoins or stablecoins, locking in gains without having to time the market perfectly. Next, I wish I had embraced dollar-cost averaging sooner, which is the practice of investing small, fixed amounts regularly instead of trying to buy everything at once. And this method lowers your average cost over time and reduces emotional decision-making. Let's say you decide to invest $100 per month. Sometimes you'll buy when prices are high, sometimes when they're low. But over time, this strategy keeps you in the game without stressing over market timing. If I had started with just $50 a week consistently, I'd have built a much stronger position by now with fewer regrets and panic sells along the way. Now let's talk about research. This is the area that I neglected the most in the beginning, thinking that hype and influencer picks were good enough. But real strategy starts with studying the project, its team, roadmap, tokenomics, and community. Before you invest in a coin, ask yourself, what problem is it solving? Who's behind it? How does the token actually work? And is there growing adoption, or is it just speculation with no traction? Learning how to read white papers, understanding how blockchains function, and using basic technical indicators will give you a massive edge over casual investors, especially when market volatility kicks in. Security is another pillar of a strong crypto investing strategy, and I cannot stress this enough. Move your assets off exchanges and into self-custody wallets as soon as possible, because hacks and exchange collapses are not rare events in this industry. Hardware wallets like Ledger and Trezor are one-time investments that can protect thousands of dollars in crypto. And had I done this sooner, I would have avoided sleepless nights during platform shutdowns and news of stolen funds. Beyond just protecting your assets, keeping track of your investments is equally important, and I recommend using a crypto portfolio tracker that helps you see your allocations, track performance, and even set alerts for major price movements. When you see your strategy visualized in one place, you're less likely to chase pumps or panic sell during dips, and more likely to stay disciplined and focused on your long-term goals. Let's recap what we've covered so far. Start with your purpose, define your allocations, use dollar-cost averaging, research before you invest, protect your assets, and stay organized through portfolio tracking and regular reviews. These are the foundational pieces I wish I had locked in from day one, and the moment I committed to them, everything changed. I stopped reacting emotionally to the market and started growing with it instead. Now, if you're watching this and thinking, this makes sense, but I still need help putting it all together, you're not alone, and that's exactly why I want to introduce you to something that changed the game for me. It's called the Intelligent Cryptocurrency Program, and it's a complete system that walks you through every step of your crypto journey, from understanding the basics to building a smart portfolio and making informed decisions. What makes it powerful is that it's beginner-friendly, but built by an expert who's been investing in crypto for years and understands how to simplify this complex world into actionable lessons anyone can follow. Inside the program, you'll get video trainings, market updates, strategy calls, and a supportive community, so you're never left guessing or second-guessing your moves. You'll learn how to evaluate projects, spot opportunities before they trend, and build a crypto strategy that actually fits your goals and risk profile. No more guessing, no more chasing hype, just real results. Click the link in the description right now to join the Intelligent Cryptocurrency Program and take the first serious step toward building real wealth through crypto the smart way. Even if you're not ready to buy today, use what you've learned in this video to avoid common mistakes, stay consistent, and keep learning. Because the more you know, the stronger your decisions become. And when you're ready to take the guesswork out of crypto, the Intelligent Cryptocurrency Program will be there to guide you, step by step.